In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the VLOOKUP function. I prepared some data over here. This is some stock market data. We have a ticker symbol, a name, a price change, market cap, a volume, and another small table over here where I will demonstrate how to use this function and will explain everything about it. Now let's look at the description of this function. I'm just going to write equal and write VLOOKUP in here. And if we look closer, it says that it looks for a value in the leftmost column of the table, meaning that it takes a value, which we're going to provide from column K over here. Then it takes that value and it searches it on the leftmost column of a table. So for us, it will take, for example, BYND from here, and it will look for this value in column A over here. It says here that then returns a value in the same row from a column that you specify. So one parameter that VLOOKUP takes is a column number, and whenever it finds that value that we give it, for example beyond, whatever if it finds BYND, will return a value from a column that we specify. So if we provide column 2, for example, VLOOKUP will take our BYND, it will look for it over here, and it has found it in here, and it will return the value from the second column. So in our case, it will return this thing over here if we provide 2 as the argument. Now let's see the function in action. The first value that we provide is the lookup value, and we're going to give it the K3 from here. Next, the table array. This is the whole table in here. We are just going to select it. Then, very important for VLOOKUP, don't forget to hit F4 until your range looks like this with $2, because we want our range to be absolute. We don't want relative ranges. Next, the call index number. In our case, we want the company name, and if you look in the table, the company name is the second column, and so I'm providing 2. And then the range lookup has to be false, meaning we need an exact match, and that means that I need the formula to return exactly when it finds the value that I provided and not something similar. And so every time I'm going to use it, I'm going to provide false as the last argument. Now I'm closing the parenthesis, I'm hitting enter, and it looks like the formula works correctly. I have beyond meat over here, and if we drag it down, we have our results. To double check, I'm just going to copy this and search for it in here, and it looks like the formula worked correctly. Now to get the market cap as well, I'm just going to copy this formula, paste it in here, and replace the call index number variable from 2. I'm gonna provide 8 as an argument because this time I want the market cap, and market cap is in column H, which is the 8th column. Hitting enter, and this is how you use VLOOKUP in Excel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you learned something new, please give this video a like. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.